Hello friends, welcome back to your own channel Technology Transforming. And as we if you are new here in our channel, this is our channel Technology Transforming, and we do lot of already workout for you if you are here. So I would say we started this series on lockdown, and if you see, you just go into our channel. We did already very good videos on from basic computer operation to right now we are doing MS Office Excel. And if you already watching our videos, so might be you are getting huge knowledge about all the Excel tricks. And also we completed our Microsoft Word. If you have any issue with Microsoft Word, you can do it. Our channel is basically providing both the language English and Hindi, so you can just explore from our channel. If you want, you can go into playlist, you will get it a lot of other things. So if you new here, if you like our video, you just subscribe our channel, and you will press the bell icon, so you will get all the new notifications when we uploaded as a new video. So basically, in our last session, we talk about MS Excel pivot point. Now pivot point is finished on that particular chapter. So now we'll do with the today I'm going to explain you, as we promised from day one, we will tell you about the budget. So surely we'll explain to you how we will create our monthly budget, our personal budget, or our family budget. So we can I will explain to you how it will be. So I make some budget. So just we'll do formatting this. So how will formatting, we already explained about formatting. So we'll do this formatting, and this we already talk about our first session. So you just see our videos, all the links are in description box. Complete Excel you can learn from our these videos. This is our promise. And whatever it is, you just go into description box, and description box you find if I go to any video basically, and if I here I will click here, and I will just go to here, you will get all the links here. And we will, what about the video description talk about, so you can see from here, so all the Hindis and English video in the basically in the our videos. Okay, so we'll explain to you how the budget will be. We have basically what is the budget is basically what is our income and what is our expenses, and based on that what is our saving. So I try to here give you all the things how it will be. So summary, basically you will get complete what is your saving. We will cash out extra, and we will put here this as a saving. And what is our total expenses month wise, and how it will be our what is our salary and all, so we will put here. So first I will put expenses. So suppose we have expenses, I suppose EMI, rent, or whatever it is, so we will put here 10,000. Okay, then we'll daily groceries and also we put here 7,500. Then transportation, maybe whatever it is based on again in your city and other things. So I am just putting as a tentative figure. You can change according to your this thing. And I put here description, what is that subcategory, you can see cable TV, internet, then health club, health insurance, short vacation, plane fare, holiday package, gym fees, outside dining, and these things. In India we have lot of social event where wedding, anniversaries, festivals, and lot of things. So this every month something and something is there, magazine, newspaper, so we will put like this. So this is 1 month, right? And we will this make as a copy and paste to all the month basically, and here we can put it, and here just see total, and once again we'll drag it this, so it will calculate actually. And we can change some of the things of some of the month, especially social events. So maybe like in March the social events are more, so we will put here 5,000. Then we will put somewhere July and August is more, so we'll put here, we will change some amount here 7,000. Here we will, in December we will put more because sometime we will just go into in December, so we'll put 25,000 here, or you can put accordingly whatever it is. So because I just put, because I will show you some difference, so it will come. So these expenses are ready, our full yearly expenses are ready for 2020. So we'll give this as 2020, and we'll go into summary. We'll see, oh, summary, we have already, everything is ready with what is our year thing, it is showing here. Now our suppose salary is coming 50,000 monthly. I am giving example, interest, dividend, something, and something, our amount is coming from somewhere. So we can see here, we just put the values, and this will be 0. So this will be again copy paste, and this is ready. All the data will be ready. So you will see our all the details are ready, and we have our savings with us. So every month you can see, and in the total, in the last, you can see we have total income is 7,60,000, and our expenses of our year is 4,18,000. So you can make budget accordingly, then you can prepare for your saving, and your saving will be 3,42,000 Indian rupees. So you can again do on that way, you can spend, you can analyze your where is the money is going. So lot of things you can do with this basically, and you can also count where it is. So it will not take much time. And again, now I will show you the we already discussed pivot chart and all. Now we'll discuss on the chart here, how it will be the chart, and we'll just go here, we'll select this, and we'll select full if you want, and we'll go into insert, then we'll go to chart, okay, and we'll go to pie chart. So here will be the recommended chart, we'll go to pie chart, and pie chart we just make like this. This is already coming here, and we'll just go to, we can select any of that, we can select any of this, and here we just click anywhere, then we can click here, then you see here is filter is coming. We talk about this filter many times, this is very important. Here are subcategory, if we just put on January and we put apply, it will show January. Now it is not coming with the percentage and all, it is just coming simply. So you can go here, okay, color you can change, you can type, you can make it. So here will be the different type, it will be like this, it will be like this, it will be like this. So you can do whatever it's different things you can make it. Maybe the percentage will coming on from quick layout, this is the percentage is coming. So you can see the percentage is how important it is. 31% total going to where, which sector. So you can easily identify, your home will going 31, daily living is 23, transportation 6%. So this way you can calculate what amounts is going where. You can change this again, you can change the color of chart. If this you are not looks like nice, you can change anything, whatever it's you want. So this you can do something, then you can change from here, you can change line. Different line will come, line, if you put line, so see how it will become. So it will come like this, January how it will be, then you can change differently. But basically for these calculations the pie charts are best. You can do again bar, columns you can do. So once you do column, column is also coming like this, so column will also come like this. So you can do different charts again, and basically, but we are using here pie charts. Okay, so I think this is good, you can do on this way. So this will be like this, color you can change again here, so color will be changed automatically. Okay, so I hope you are getting what we want to tell you, what we want to explain to you. I think you are getting, you are getting. Then I think we will change to filter again, we'll go to this filter and we'll go to March, because we put something in March as a this, so 5,000 will come. we want maybe again we put on December, so it will come here one side 25,000 into what we put on our other thing, our expenses, social events. So you can do, and you can go and just do some experiments with this, and you can again change the layout, you can make it, you can do percentage, whatever you want to do, you can do it. So I hope so you like our this video, and surely you will do some experiment with these. We'll meet you on next session, and meanwhile you just understand those things whatever we explain. If you new here, if you like our videos, so you just share with the your friends and family, and we will come, your one like and your one share, maybe whoever is actually required these detail, whoever want to learn Excel, they can come to us and do the things. And if you new here, so surely we would request you just press this subscribe button, so you will get subscribe our channel, and share with your family and friend, just like it. So we'll meet you next session. Thank you for watching. Thank you for